everyone. This is Dipansh Agrawal. You can see my screen right now. It's showing in the Rockwest demo account. It is showing the profit of around 1,70,220. Now in this you can see the magic number also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are multiple trades which have been closed without the magic number, where the little upgrade has been done. Before this, it was taking multiple trades also. But now this will open only single trade. So now you can see this will work only in 5 minutes chart, and right now the profit is around total 1,17,000, where deposit is around maximum $20,000. Total balance is 1,37,009. It's automatic. All the things are automatic. You can see here all the trades, and I'm using right now Rockwest demo account because this is one of the reliable broker, a book broker. So all the things are going in the live market only. So demo account also treat as a live market. So this is the current performance of the robo, and the robo name you can see Neurogenesis, right? And it works on gold 5 minute chart.